Hello users, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll see how to install a simple firewall in our Linux desktop and make it more secure. As the GNU Linux distros are gaining more and more popularity, they are also target of malware, hardware, and viruses. So, to make your system secure, we require a basic antivirus and a basic firewall at least. So in last video we saw how to install the ClanAV antivirus, which is totally free and it is a very good solution. It is used in many of the firewalls also. So in today's video we will see how to install a simple firewall. So let's start. So open on your Debian KDE desktop, open the Discover, the software store, type GUFW, graphical user firewall. So this firewall can be operated from the GUI. So I have already installed it. You have to install it using the Discover software store. Okay, I will shut it down. Then I have already kept the GUFW, that is the graphical user firewall, open. So I just open the GUI. So it is very simple. The file menu has facility to import or export the profiles, settings and profile configuration. You can export, edit, you can reset the current profile. Then there is a preferences where you can set the login as full, medium, high or off settings. Low, medium, high, full and off settings. You can have the confirmation dialogs also for deleting the rules. So by mistake you don't delete the important rules. And logging activity, if you want you can keep. If you don't want, you can stop the logging activity to save the disk space and CPU usage. Listening report, so the reports are there. You can have the intervals at every 1 hour, 2 hour, like that. You can have the intervals also set. So refresh interval is right now set at 3 seconds. You can set it as you like. There are standard profiles to choose from: public, office or home. You can have your own custom profile also. The rules are here. You can add or remove the rules. You can edit the rules also. This is the report. So my report is there for my system. It is showing which of the system component has accessed the internet, through which port and through which IP address it is given, and the log is there. Status has been enabled. That's it. And to start with, the default profile is home. Here all the incoming traffic is denied by default and all outgoing traffic is allowed by default. So you can change it. Okay. So this is the simple firewall. It gives you very good basic protection. And once you learn more and more about firewalls, you can improve upon or use some other advanced firewalls. So this is a good tool to start with. Thank you very much. See you.